Can you race a house? No. Can you sleep in your car? Yes. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's early. So today's a little different. We're gonna be working on some Evos today. I got my Evo to work on and my brother's Evo. So we end up trading wheels. So it looks like a monster truck, and I think it'll only look good if we lower it. What we're gonna end up doing is I'm just gonna throw some lowering springs on there just for now, just so I can get that stance, and then hopefully save up for some coilovers and throw those on there once I start giving it more attention. For now, it's just the whole wheel thing. It should be straightforward from here. All right, guys. Damn, it's freezing. Good enough. Look who be showing up. What up? Fast boy. Slow. All right, cool. Bad kitty. Alright, so now we come here to the back. So, we need to take off these clips, which I already started to. Took this off. Once all that's off. Can you race a house? No. Can you sleep in your car? Yes. Oh yeah, once we take all those off, we're able to get to right here. What? Those two bolts, and then take off this bolt, and then it would actually help if you remove the lower A-arm bolt so you can get it to go down a little bit more. Damn, Ramon, fucking knocked it out of the... Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Went ahead and swapped out the suspension. Evo's looking a lot better. Still needs to set a little bit more, drive it around, maybe I'll set a little lower. But it looks way better. All it needs is a wash. But that's it for my Evo. It's all good to go. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys liked it, cool. I hope you guys did. I'm dealing with the whole state ref thing, so I still have to go get that taken care of. But once the state ref is complete and over with, I'm gonna start throwing some money into it. And I'm thinking more power, because I want to start having fun with this car. It's been stock all its life, not even a tune, so I just want to go ahead and get the tune, maybe ED5 tune, and see what it can do for now. And obviously you're gonna always want more, so my plan is to eventually go forward facing, just so I can flex. Don't really need it to go the power goals that I want, but I just want to flex that hard when you have that turbo popping out right there. So hopefully we can get some more footage of the Evo. But for now, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. It kind of helps out with the channel so I can grow a little bit better. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Bye.